In this video, we compare powerful robot vacuum cleaner and Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts an impressive 2,200 PA suction power, making it an excellent choice for tackling dust, pet hair, and debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its slim design, measuring just 2.99 by 11 inches, allows it to clean under furniture and in corners with ease. The vacuum offers 6 cleaning modes that can be easily switched via the app, providing a versatile cleaning solution for every home. Equipped with 13 pairs of built-in upgraded infrared sensors, this vacuum is capable of detecting its surroundings to avoid obstacles and prevent falls. With a long battery life, the M210 Pro can run up to 120 minutes on a single charge and will automatically return to its charging station when low on power. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be conveniently controlled via button, app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or remote, and you can schedule cleanings even when you're not at home. The Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum is equipped with a DuoRoller Brush and a powerful 5500 PA suction, providing exceptional cleaning on various floor types and deeper cleaning on carpets, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. The vacuum features a large 770 milliliter dustbin and water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without the need for frequent emptying or refilling. With the PreciSense LiDAR Navigation system, the Q5 Pro efficiently maps your home in seconds and finds an optimal cleaning route, providing precise and accurate cleaning. The Q5 Pro offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with a 180 milliliter SnapMop system, effectively removing fine dirt that might be missed by vacuuming alone. The all-rubber multi-directional brush resists hair tangles and is particularly effective for cleaning long and pet hair. Control of the vacuum is made easy with the Roborock app, where cleaning schedules, suction power, and routines can be set, and it also supports voice control via Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum are both powerful and versatile cleaning solutions. The Lefant Vacuum Cleaner's 2,200 PA suction power is commendable, while the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum's 5,500 PA suction and DuoRoller Brush technology offer exceptional cleaning performance. The Lefant Vacuum Cleaner is slim and compact, allowing it to clean under furniture and in corners with ease, whereas the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum has a larger dustbin and water tank, which facilitates extended cleaning sessions. Both vacuums are equipped with advanced sensor technology, with the Lefant model featuring 13 pairs of infrared sensors, and the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum using a PreciSense LiDAR Navigation system for precise and efficient cleaning. Notably, the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping with its 180 milliliter SnapMop system, providing a more comprehensive clean. Both models can be conveniently controlled via app and voice control, and offer scheduling capabilities for cleaning when you're not at home. In conclusion, both the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the Roborock Q5 Pro Vacuum are high-quality choices, with the choice between them depending on individual needs and preferences.